Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into something super cool and fun, how to use Genmoji on your iPhone. Before we jump in, a quick heads up, this feature is currently only available on iPhone 15 Pro models and later.
Just so you know.
This video is based on my personal experience. You can find all relevant links in the description below.
Alright, let's get started.
First, we need to make sure Genmoji is enabled. 1. Head to Settings *, open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. General * scroll down and tap on General. 3. Keyboard * then, scroll down again and tap on Keyboard. 4. Stickers * scroll down near the bottom to the Genmoji section. Make sure the stickers toggle is switched on. Great! Genmoji is now enabled. Let's see how to use it. 1. Open an app with keyboard access *, go to any app where you can use your keyboard, like Messages. 2. Access emojis *, tap on the text field and then tap the emoji icon, the little face, in the bottom left corner. 3. Find Genmoji *, you should now see the Genmoji icon next to the Describe emoji text box. Tap on that. 4. First time setup *, if it's your first time, you'll see a pop-up. Read through it and tap Continue. 5. Describe your emoji * now for the fun part. Simply describe the emoji you want. From my experience, simpler descriptions work best. * for example, let's try a cake with eyes and legs. 6. Generate and choose * your iPhone will automatically start generating emojis based on your description. This might take a few seconds depending on your device. 7. Select and send * Apple Intelligence will generate a few options. Choose the one you like best. If you swipe to the end, it'll generate even more. 8. Add to text field *. Once you've selected your emoji, it'll be added to the text field. 9. Send it. Now you can send it just like a regular emoji. Also, once you've created a Genmoji, it will appear in your regular emoji keyboard for easy access later. Extra tip * when you're in the emoji selector, you can tap the 3 dots next to any Genmoji to copy it, share it, or save it as a sticker. And that's it. That's how you set up and use Genmoji on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.